Today we're doing derbies. Yes, with only 4 players, and I'm about to have to count it because 3, 2, 1, and we're about to start the madness. So watch to the end to see crazy stuff like this. And oh, this is derby, guys. Oh, wait, this is great. Okay, now we can start. Okay, crash this! Yo! Oh! I'm drifting. Oh, okay. Get this. Okay, keep doing this. Hey, he just crashed. We got him. You can have 3. Okay, let's do this. Okay, and I'm not even getting a single person. I'm smashing too much items in cars. Okay, let's do this. I'm gonna get this boost and yes! Oh no, lost a person. Did I won? Okay, yes, I won! Hey, it's respawn. Okay, I have 1 life left because I got crashed to another person. Okay, oh no! 1 life. No, actually 1 life left. I have 2. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. Got someone. Not 4, 1. Okay. Never mind, we have 4. Oh no. Okay. Let's go. Okay. No. Oh no, I have 1 life. Okay, I can survive this. I can win. Oh no, this is what you get. Okay, if you flip, you're out. Okay, that's one thing. This is so crazy. No. Okay, I added her. Okay, now we have a other winner. He's the red car. Winner is red car.
Let's go, baby.
Let's go. This guy win. Okay, we got new cars. So yes, I picked this lovely car, sedan. Then some person picked a red car, but Apocalypse. Then an SUV, then a bus, but the dirty bus. And now we start. Let's do it. Okay, so let's go here and okay, let's go back. Okay, I'm stuck with a box. So someone help me please. Okay. Yes, we destroyed the car. Okay, so I have like 4 life still and what you get? Okay. Oh, yo, so red. Yo, that's freaking. Someone lose this red SUV lose. Now just 3 people left. I'm going to no. Oh, yo. Oh wait, I'm not sure if he really flipped it. He flipped it. Okay, hey, what? You flipped. Sorry, some people doesn't understand what's the game. So sorry. Okay. Sorry, dude. Oh no, did I hit the person? Okay. Me versus him. I'm gonna lose. Okay. Oh. Okay. We win. No, don't. Ow. Okay, we have one life left. Hey, I'm gonna get you. Hey, stop it. Oh, okay, fine. Okay, I'm gonna push you. Okay, who's gonna win this round? Don't push me. No. The red car won again. Let's go. These people are really good at this game. The red car is actually good. Let's go. Okay, guys. Here's a new derby map, and then I got a van, cause Then we're about to start soon. Some people got some cool. This dude got a cool armed truck. This dude got a red car has the same. And this dude has that. And then this dude, that's not me. So we just have to wait for people. 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, all people, let's go! If you flip, you're out. Okay, and oh, yo, he flipped! Oh, man, yo! He was a cool call to flip. If you get out of the frame, you're out. Yup. You get out of the frame, you're out. Good. Oh, no. Okay. If people get out, they lose. Okay. And oh no, we got the no. Okay. Oh wait, sorry. The black car has won. Don't respawn. Slip or slip out. Okay, I lost again. Let's see who will win. Red car or armed car or Dodge. I'm not sure. He got out. Okay. Armed versus car. Go. Oh God. Hey. Okay, let's see who will win. Hey. No. The red car was out a second ago. Almost every people doesn't know what to do. Oh, red car has to pick up truck versus armed truck. Let's see it. Okay, this car is I don't know what to do. And pick up armed car won. Yeah. Okay, we actually wait. I'm not actually sure if the armed car is actually from the red car. Go check, guys, because I'm not sure. And yeah. Okay, so I'm the bus, and we'll continue on the same. Let's okay, we're starting. I'm tired, you pick up. This dude doesn't know, but he's about to lose. Everybody knows he's sick. Yeah, the RPG. No RPG. Sorry. The servers keep getting crazy and crazy. Yeah. See? Oh, yeah. Oh, wait. Armed and bus lost. Wait, armed and bus lost. Black derby car win. Yeah! We got another winner. Not actually the arm, but I never won for like a lot. Hey, don't do that. Hey, don't do that. Okay. So we're gonna do a last round. So our last round is with 5 players and sometimes a truck and some vehicles. So I'm gonna use this truck, and whoever wins gets a super car. Not really. I'll get. I'm not sure. No. Oh, okay. Hey, truck. Okay, I guess it's not a huge vehicle. So this is a last round, and we're about to start. We are starting. Okay, if I lost like get out, then I have to crash that pickup truck. Okay. Oh no, close. No. Okay, I pick up truck lost. Okay, let's get this. Oh! No! Okay. No! I'm out. I touched the corner. No! I'm out. So, well guys, thank you so much for subscribe. Hit that bell notification. If you want to see more videos like this, like dirty and crazy stuff, we're gonna see you, and bye!